Easy Guide. Setting up your charger with installer Miles. Using home Wi-Fi on Android.
Having trouble connecting your charger? Follow these steps to link your charger to the Electric Miles app. Launch the Installer Miles app to establish a connection between your charger and your home Wi-Fi, enabling you to link your charger to your Electric Miles account. Access the Installer Miles app and select Access for Electric Miles drivers, then proceed to Charger Connectivity. Here you'll be prompted to input the charger make, charger model and serial number. We recommend scanning the QR code to prevent any typing errors. Incorrect serial number entries may lead to commissioning failure. On this screen, you'll find the Network Setup option along with other settings. Tap on Network Setup on this page and choose your preferred network, such as Wi-Fi. Ensure you turn on mobile GPS and grant location access to the Installer Miles app to avoid commissioning failures. Choose Wi-Fi Setup and pick your home Wi-Fi from the drop-down menu. Then, input the password. Incorrect entries for the network name or password may lead to commissioning failure. After entering the Wi-Fi password, tap on Connect. Once you receive a successful connection notification, click on the Save option at the top right corner. At this stage, you'll observe the network setup with Wi-Fi displaying as green. Now reboot the charger by turning it off and then on again. Upon doing so, the charger will emit an audible beep sound. Afterward, check your phone's Wi-Fi settings page for the charger's serial number. Do not connect to it. If you still cannot locate the charger's serial number, turn off your Wi-Fi router and reboot the charger once more. Wait for 2 minutes and check again for the serial number among the available networks. Once you see the charger serial number on Wi-Fi list, come back on Installer Miles app next, select Other Settings, choose your preferred mode and then tap Save. Now tap Next and then select Join when prompted to join your charger's hotspot. After this, you will see a success screen. If failed to commission, please send an email to support@electricmiles.co.uk with your serial number and just outline the issue, and we would be more than happy to assist. After successful commissioning, you will be able to link or see charger on your Electric Miles app.